Hi, Wyatt.
Hi.
Are you ready to fold?
Yup.
Fold sides. Fold one side in, push. Fold the other side in, push. And the other side in. And the last side in. What do we need next?
Tape.
Tape.
This is so beautiful. This is the one that I used. And it was good for me.
Pull tape. Pull. Get scissors. Cut tape. Cutting. Did it cut? Cut tape. Tape on top. Tape on top. More tape. Pull tape. Cut tape. Cut tape. Cutting tape. Tape on top. Tape on tube. Tape on.
Off.
Off and on.
Off again.
Okay. Do you need more tape?
Yeah.
I need
Wait.
more. Okay, let's get a new piece.
Oh, it's not sticking on.
That's okay.
I'll just put it like this.
Sounds good. Okay, get more tape.
Yep. More tape.
Pull tape. Cut tape.
Into the bowls.
Scissors down on tube. And we are all done taping. Nice work.